Oh, hi. I'm really close to the camera because I want to make sure you see this right here. 9 ingredients. That's what we put in our DIY paint. The 9 things that go in here are non-toxic. The standards we have are higher than the cosmetic industry. Essentially, you could use this like makeup. I'm not saying you should. I want to keep that a secret because when people find out that you can do that, they do some really strange things.
I would use Kissing Booth here, Cowgirl Coral right here. I blend those. Liquid Sunshine here and here. I like it. And it's clay, so probably my skin will be smoother when I take it off.
This is mint chip, and it looks like melted mint chip ice cream. It smells like dirt. I don't know. It looks like it could taste good. It dries really fast.